Ziyambi Ziyambi must go. Is he working with or against the president? ZANU-PF resolution never mentioned removing one man, one vote. Where did he get that? Tsarapina mashkobra nyuka pankwa inwe. Achi hashtag wachinzi Ziyambi Ziyambi must go. He must resign. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mramobra nyuka mchinzi. He must be dismissed to save the face of the president. When those closest to you start turning war veterans and generals against you, it's a high time for His Excellency President Mnangagwa to remove rogue elements around him. Can you imagine? The ZANU-PF conference resolution never spoke about removing one man, one vote. It never mentioned removing the military's constitutional role. Yet, to our surprise, we saw Minister Ziyambi Ziyambi present Bill number 3 that touches both. So where did he get that? Two possibilities, both dangerous. He was sent by someone to insert clauses the party never approved, or he did it alone with intentions of turning more veterans against our leader. His Excellency Mnangagwa, in making people say Mnangagwa's governance is now rejecting the core principles of the liberation struggle. Either way, it is Ziyambi who is causing these unnecessary attacks on the president and the first family. Whether the bill passes or fails, Minister Ziyambi should be dismissed immediately, or he should resign. Thanks to Vice President Chiwenga, who is saying the bill should go through a referendum with Monowese ATAURA Monero Ake. Why? This proposed bill is fundamentally different from resolutions raised at the ZANU-PF conference. I strongly believe Minister Ziyambi was aware of these repercussions. The bill doesn't tarnish his image alone. It is now tarnishing ZANU-PF and the first family. Even if he was instructed to do so, his duty as Justice Minister was to reject amendments that would hurt the party and the president and explain with facts why they violate the constitution. Failing to do that means he failed his job. Dropping him makes it better. He might love the president 100%, but his actions on bill number 3 have caused our president to be disrespected and painted as a man who doesn't follow the constitution. If this bill passes without a referendum, it will become easy for anyone to turn against the government because they will say the government violated its own constitution. It's a high time for the Minister Ziyambi to be fired, to resign, or be moved to a ministry that doesn't require deep knowledge of the history and constitutional foundations of the great nation. Doma developments and Budapangwa achikola up for Ziyambi's firing or resignation. Pina comment section medu zafungura imo kulipa mzalbe chitko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.